Zulu, wind 290 at 15, gust 25, visibility 10, ceiling 7,000, overcast, temperature 4, dew point -9er, altimeter 3021, remark peak wind 280 at 26, recorded at 2107 Zulu, ILS runway 2 left and visual approaches in use, landing and departing runway 2 left, runway 28. VFR departures, advise ground control of your direction of flight or type pattern work. IFR departures, contact ground control for your clearance. Hazardous weather information for Illinois and surrounding states available on flight service frequencies. Advise on initial contact. Do you have Lima?
DuPage ground Skyhawk 9622 Quebec at Illinois Aviation Academy, ready to taxi for departure to the south with Lima.
Skyhawk 9622 Quebec, DuPage ground, runway 28, taxi via Echo, hold short of runway 2 left.
Runway 28 via Echo, hold short, runway 2 left, 22 Quebec.
Skyhawk 22 Quebec, cross runway 2 left at Echo, continue via Echo Hotel.
Cross 2 left, Echo, continue to Hotel, 22 Quebec.
DuPage ground Sky 1214 uniform off, runway 28, Foxtrot, parking Illinois Aviation.
Cessna 1242 uniform, DuPage ground, good evening, taxi to parking via Echo.
Parking via Echo, 1214 uniform.
DuPage Tower, Skyhawk 9622 Quebec, holding short of runway 28 on Hotel, ready to go.
We're 9622 Quebec, DuPage Tower, standby, lane of traffic 2 left.
Read back, standby.
Cessna 22 Quebec, runway 28, line up and wait, traffic midfield downwind.
28 lining up and wait, 22 Quebec.
Cessna 938, turn base.
Turning by 4938.
Number 938, exit at Yankee and ground point 7, correction point 8.
Exit Yankee, ground point 600 off.
November 22 Quebec, left turn out, runway 28, clear for takeoff, wind 300 at 13, gust 20.
28 clear for takeoff, left turn, 22 Quebec.
Cessna 938, runway 28, clear, touch and go, on the go, make right traffic.
Alright, instruments in the green.
On the go, we'll make right traffic, 4938, clear for touch go.
It is eyes. Super bumpy.
All right, rudder. maintain heading 190 and climb maintain 3000.
Alright, 190, climb maintain 3000, to Quebec.
I'll take controls from you.
Alright, you have control. I can work this thing.
So, I think you might have to take your
Oh, the headset off?
headset off, put it on, and put your headset back on, yeah.
It's only supposed to cover up like my forehead, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You should be able to see outside.
Alright, okay.
Your instruments.
Alright, got it.
Your controls?
My controls.
Your controls.
My controls, alright.
Heading 190, maintain 3000.
190, maintain